How to check if someone has Snapchat Plus. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, open up your Snapchat application. Once you open it up, head to your chat section. Now to check if someone has Snapchat Plus, look for the indicators like Gold Star Badge. User with Snapchat Plus may display a Gold Star Badge next to their username. This is optional, so not all Plus users will have it visible. The next indicator would be exclusive features. Check if their profile shows unique features such as customized app icons or exclusive Bitmoji outfits. Now after that, if you're close to that person, you can go ahead and simply ask if they have subscribed to Snapchat Plus or not, as it's a straightforward way to confirm. While Snapchat does not directly notify others if someone has Plus or not, so only visible features or direct confirmation will reveal it. And that is how you check if someone has Snapchat Plus or not. That's it for today's video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.